maxed Sal and 8, um, oh, whatever they're called. Well, I guess I need to. There we go. Okay, I'm going to deploy the akumas and hit D right away so they don't move. I'm going to deselect them and deploy Sal. I'll have him go over here and hit D. Have him wait for um, the Outlanders to be deployed from the Akuma before I do anything else. And now that that's done, hit the Dragon's Teeth, which will get rid of all of the Shadow Sarkis units. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this next squad of Outlanders and take care of this railgun over here and finish off what I can. So now I'm going to take this railgun out next with the next set of Outlanders. All right, and now I'm going to get Sal ready to go and hit these with the next set of Outlanders that get deployed. There they are. So I'm going to target these turrets here. 1, 2 shots. Nope, that left 2 of them that time. So I'm going to have to wait for another set to deploy. I'll hit the middle one here. Should get rid of the rest there. All right, so I'm going to leave Sal here. Um, Gonna wait for another set of Outlanders. I'm gonna take care of this railgun and these overwatches here. Might as well hit the hunters too, because I need to get dead at some point. These normally, with this set, I can normally come over here and take care of these overwatches as well, and sometimes maybe even a tower. The rest of the ones that I'll grab to control here, I'm going to have them go up and around to avoid all of the fire here. Bring them around to kill the towers and these units in front of the towers. Alright, so another set here. Around. Unit. Tower. Sarkis. Nope, didn't. Oh, he's still there, so be another 3 or 4 sets of Outlanders to finish off this string here. And get this Sarkis here, this Sarkis here, this unit here. Nope, didn't quite get it. Alright, Sarkis, unit, tower. Nope. So that's 2. Here's the third set of the 4 that I guess that I would need. So now I'm going to take care of the tower and the turret, hopefully. Ugh, not quite. So another. Hit X to spread them out a little bit, bring them down to kill this turret. There we go. All right. So now comes the trick of getting Sal up and over and around without actually going to the island. So I'll wait for this next set of Outlanders to deploy. I'll hit 1 to select my Sal. I'll bring Sal over here a little bit. All right, so now I'm going to click over here, going to position him here, and then going to start clicking up this wall here and around the entryway and up to the bridge. Just going to keep clicking to keep him out of harm's way of the island. And now I'm going to click this corner power plant here, back out, hit the hunters here, and it takes care of that little Sarkis that was there. More power plants. Now, I keep the Sal will still get hit by this guy here, um, but by now a maxed Sal, which this one is, you can pretty much come on here now, hit the F key, and be done. And you'll still have probably about 8 minutes or so repair time when it's all said and done. So that's how you get on over to the island with Sal without it getting too damaged or without him getting hit. Because when he comes over to the island, onto the island, he gets hit by those by the enemy units, and it causes uh, the Sal to be slow and unresponsive. It just kind of goes crazy, like it's a combination of Cairo and concussion. Only it's a they just kind of run around. He, so to avoid that, go up and around, and you should be good. I'm gonna bring the unit back to the base, and I'll have you watch as I repair. I think I've been getting about 8 minutes. I might have gotten an extra hit or so, but it still should be under 10. So enter base now. Probably say 1 gold if it ever loads. Oh, 2 gold. I guess I must have got more hits than I thought. So let's see here. Yep. So um, just around 14 minutes on that one. Um, like I said, it took a couple extra hits. Normally it's under 10 minutes, so you only have a few minutes to repair. So that's it. The Challenge Ultra with maxed Sal and akumas